Welcome back, everybody. Today we are making a quick loaf bread. This is more of a cake bread. It's going to be made with olives and some buttermilk. It's going to be very interesting. So let's go try it out. But first, check the description below. The whole recipe is there so you can bake this along at your own house. Let's go get to it. Okay, we have our sifter. This is actually our mixing bowl for our mixer. Makes it a lot easier if you do that. We have 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon of sage, the ground sage, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to sift this all together. Okay, in a smaller bowl we have 2 eggs. We're going to whisk these 2 eggs up real quick. We have a cup of buttermilk. We are going to add that. And we have 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're going to whisk this up. Okay, we have our dry mixture on our dry stand mixer. We are going to slowly add our egg buttermilk mixture on low. We are going to add 1/2 cup of chopped olives, green. And 1/2 cup of Sharp Cheddar Cheese. And blend that up real well. And that's it. Okay, we have a 9-inch loaf pan. We are going to grease it, paper towel, get some shortening, and we're just going to grease the whole thing. Greased all around. Little spot there. And we just pour our batter into. This batter is very, very, very sticky. All right, we're going to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 45 minutes, and we'll do the toothpick test, and we'll see it when it comes out. Okay, we took it out, 45 minutes, it was clean. I've had it rested for 10 minutes. We're going to put this on a cooling rack. That smells wonderful. We'll let this cool down completely before we cut it. Okay, it's all cooled down. Took about almost 2 hours. Let me give this a couple nice slices here. Oh, look at that. Let's take a look at that. You can see the cheese, the olives, That is a nice looking piece of bread. Okay, we're going to give this a try. This looks delicious. I'll tell you what, the whole house smelled like an old-fashioned bakery. Mmm. The buttermilk almost gives it almost like that buttery texture to it. The cheese is a nice combo with the olives, believe it or not. Has a slight sweetness too to it. The crust on the bottom is very crunchy. Excellent stuff. You can put jam, butter, apple butter, stuff like that. That would go perfect with this. And the recipe's in the description box. So until next time, this is a Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.